Hello and welcome to While Sleeping channel. Today, we've prepared a new Korean language learning video, so let's study together. Through learning, let's make new experiences. Let's get started.
Hello.
안녕하세요.
Hello, how can I help you?
안녕하세요. 어떻게 도와드릴까요?
I want to take some pictures.
사진 찍고 싶은데요.
Okay. What kind of pictures do you need?
네. 어떤 종류의 사진이 필요하세요?
I want pictures wearing a hanbok.
한복 입은 사진이요.
Sure, what color of hanbok do you prefer?
좋습니다. 한복은 어떤 색상이 좋으세요?
I like pink.
분홍색이 좋아요.
Got it. What time will you come?
알겠습니다. 몇 시에 오시겠어요?
I'll come around 2 p.m.
오후 2시쯤 되면 갈게요.
Great, see you at 2 o'clock then.
Thank you for spending your time with While Sleeping channel today. We hope you've gained new knowledge and experiences, and if you want to learn more, feel free to come back anytime. Until we meet again for another joyful moment, stay healthy and happy. Goodbye.